Snowcast Cats here, how you doing? It's a nice day, so I thought I'd feed the cats outside today. Whoever wishes to join can join. I don't know if they know there's food, but they'll soon find out. Should better smell it. So at the moment we have one diner, Fluffy. It's been a nice day. Sun's just starting to go down now. Oh, Toby's over there. Toby, would you like to join? Doesn't actually matter if they make a mess because they're outside. Toby, come and join. Come on. Oh, Brittany's coming to join. Come on, Britt. Oh. How nice is this? A picnic. So how is everyone doing? I hope the viewers, the subscribers all keeping well. It's been a nice day today, lovely and sunny. I hope you guys have enjoyed getting out in the garden. I know we have. We had a picnic earlier here on the patio, and now the cats are having their picnic. Oh, you can hear the pigeon there as well. Hello, Fluffy. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.